What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora, and we're just going to be chilling, working on the Del Sol. I've got a few updates I need to make to it, and another goal for the video is to better my 60-foot time. The last time we took this out was really cool, and that was before we had the traction bar kit installed. So I'm going to go ahead and throw you back to those video clips and show you the 60-foot times. That way we can compare them to the new times that we're going to do today.
Look at that, you got a perfect spot for a dragy.
Yep. What's up, guys? We're in the Del Sol, and we're about to go test out Jake's dragy that he got for his birthday. Y'all, we're finished installing the traction bar kit. It did take us longer than we expected because we ended up having to move around this intercooler piping. It was in the way, but everything looks good now, and hopefully this is going to help me improve my times. Well, y'all, it's been about a month since we lost Pop Pop. We miss him so much, and he was really special. But I do have a new friend that I want you to meet, and he's tiny, so the neighbors are going to help me raise him until he's a little bit bigger because they have a lot more experience with chickens. This is Bo Peep, so we're going to call him Bo. He is so cute. He's only a couple days old right now. But he's the same breed that Pop Pop was. A silver-laced Wyandotte. So, he's already a really big sweetheart. Just out here hanging out with Bo Peep. Doing some work on the Del Sol. But I'm taking care of the baby. Yep, you're gonna love the camera too. We've got her jacked up. We've been working on modifying the exhaust pipe. And check this out, guys. I'm so mad. So my wideband hasn't been working for a while now. This is why. Some mice or rats got to it. So we're gonna be fixing that. Well, y'all, I was wrong. We ended up getting it rewired and plugged in, but the wideband still isn't working. So we're pretty sure that whenever it got chewed up, it got shorted out or something. So basically we had to order a new wideband, and that'll be here soon. But yeah, there was no saving those chewed wires. We tried. Okay, so we used to have the exhaust all the way hooked up, but I think it sounds a lot better without it. So we decided to go ahead and modify this downpipe. It used to be connected all the way back there, and it would blow fumes up into the car, which sucked. So we decided to cut it a little bit shorter. That way it wouldn't do that as bad. So the car has two different size tires on it right now. This front tire is about 24 inches, and we took this one from the hatch. And I think it honestly looks really good on here. Looks beefier and just a little bit more intimidating. And then back here's got my wheel that have been on here. They're about 22 inches. But we're gonna go ahead and drive the car and see if it makes a difference with these tires on here. Alrighty y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, guys. It would mean the world to me. And that went really well. I'm super happy that we improved my 60-foot time by installing the traction bar kit and getting bigger tires put on there. So I'm definitely gonna be buying some new tires for the Del Sol pretty soon because it made a world of difference having the bigger ones on the front. But everything went great, and you guys are awesome. I'll catch you in the next video.